We'll restrict our question now.
Jen, sir. Sir. I'm so sorry. UK23 SWN 005513 Senior Cadet Captain Nisha Joshi. Interview clear. तैयार है श्रीमान?
Okay, come sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Nisha, where do you
Nishtha,
belong
sir.
to? Nishtha.
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 Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Where do you belong to?
So I'm from Nainital and
Okay.
my village is in Dwarahat.
Dwarahat. Where are you studying?
So I'm currently studying in Kumar University, DSB campus, BLLB honors.
LLB honors. So what do you want to do in your life?
So I aspire to join defense through the JAG entry.
Through JAG entry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who all are there in your family?
So my mother, father, and I have an elder sister.
Okay. What is your father doing?
So my father is a lawyer, and my mother is a housemaker, and my sister, she's a scientist in biotechnology.
Great. So, how do you help your family in their everyday course?
So I assist my family in whatever tasks they do. I assist my father whether he's helping out in whether he's doing the work of plumbing or repairing the electric wires, or from whitewashing the walls to cleaning the floors. I help out in all the chores that I can do of my house.
Okay. So, you want to join JAG branch. So, you know how the entry is in JAG branch? How
Yes,
they come into JAG branch?
Yes, so we there is no written exam for JAG. We have to send our resume along with our CLAT PG score after our graduation, and the selection is based on the merit, the percentage that you've scored in your graduation plus the CLAT PG score, and after that, when it is selected, you call for the
So,
assessment.
what's the score, cutoff score generally?
So I am not currently sure, but it's very high due to the less number of seats.
You have to be, and what's your present score?
So currently I've maintained a CGPA of 9.0 in my college, and this is my last year of
And
NCC.
so did you appear for CLAT as a mock test?
Yes, I had appeared for CLAT when I was trying for graduation. I had gotten a well score, and I had gotten admission in
You CLAT PG के लिए appear किया अभी?
No, sir, CLAT PG
Mock.
is after graduation.
I know, but mock नहीं किया.
No, sir, we're not eligible for the mock. Even the mocks are not open because I'm in my 4th year. I have one more year to go for mock.
Okay. No, but it will be available on net now, the paper.
So my courses that I'm doing right now, the subjects are not fully complete. So it will be like half the paper. So it will not be worth the mock right now.
Okay. If you want to pursue something, then you have to start
Yes, sir.
and learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you can't wait for the opportune time to come, because if you wait for opportune time, it will be late.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So coming on to next thing is, ये बताओ मेरे को कि why it is happening that our legal system is not able to address the aspirations of people in our country. There are so many lagging cases, so many innocents lurching in jails, so many. Why it is happening that way?
So somewhere we can say that it is due to the deficiency of the number of people, the number of judges that are being recruited. And regarding this, the Supreme Court has passed a verdict that they will increase the number of judges in all the high courts of all over the India, so that the pending cases, they can be carried on faster. And the second thing that the cases they go slow is because India, as the judicial system of India, it believes that we can let go of 100 guilty people, but not put in one innocent person in jail.
100 guilty people will kill 1,000 or 10,000 more people, innocent people.
Yes, sir, that is the fundamental thing that the judiciary works upon. So because of that, there is a lot of pending cases, the slow procedure of the judicial, and that is being addressed by the High Court in the recent cases and forums, sir.
Okay.
In substantive law, it is said that right to self-protection is a very powerful tool. I can even take somebody's life claiming that I was protecting my life. What after that?
Sir, we can surely claim that I was the said action was done in self-defense. But when the inquiry is set up and proper procedure, if proper procedure is followed and inquiry is made up, you can easily set out whether it was
How is
actually.
it different from normal crime?
In self-defense, the things that differentiated from normal crime is first the attack. The attack must be on you with the intention that you are to be killed.
The onus of proving that there was threat to life rests with me.
Yes,
Mens
sir.
rea is with me.
Yes, sir.
Mens rea, otherwise in other crimes, is to be proven by
Proven
the
by the
law.
sir. Yes, sir.
Here I have to prove
Prove the mens
that the intention or the threat was so grave that I had to
to take
take his
action.
life.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Investing the society as only law related to the law.
Currently, the biggest crime would be cybercrime, because through cybercrime, the other crimes they are taking up an advantage. People are being bullied online. There are being explicit photos being shared, and those explicit photos they are causing a great harm and further leading up to all sexual assaults on women, even men. The sodomy is increasing, and so I personally believe that cybercrime is the biggest threat currently that is growing day by day.